Are you looking for the best body cams? In this video we will look at some of the best body cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MIUFLY 1296p HD Body Camera. Having a robust design, powerful audio-visual data recording capabilities, and a host of other features, MIUFLY 1296p is easily the best overall body-worn camera available. Equipped with a 5MP CMOS sensor, MIUFLY allows high video capture in a variety of resolutions, ranging from 848x480p, 30/60 fps, to 2304x1296p, 30 fps. The camera lens has a 140-degree viewing angle and up to 16x digital zoom. Videos are encoded using the H.26 compression standard and saved in MP4 format. The camera utilizes its integrated microphone to record audio in WAV format, and can even capture photos while recording video. MIUFLY 1296p can embed useful information like user ID, time and amp, date stamp, and GPS coordinates, as a watermark, into recorded videos. Thanks to a motion detection feature, the wearable camera can automatically start video capture on detecting activity. A 2-inch, 240x320 pixels resolution LCD lets you view captured videos, and you can set a password to prevent recorded data from being stolen/deleted. The device has infrared LEDs for capturing videos in dark environments. MIUFLY 1296p comes with a 2,900 mAh rechargeable battery, allowing up to 10 hours of footage to be captured in one go. Number 2. AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera. All told, the bodycam category isn't that different than the more general action cam category. Buyers of both want good performance no matter what activity they are participating in, whether it's for safety or just for documenting a hike. Of the budget action bodycams that do exist, the AKASO EK7000 is one of the most affordable, and best of all, it doesn't require that you sacrifice a whole lot of functionality in the process. At 4K, for instance, it can shoot video at 25 fps, and up to 30 fps at 2.7K, still a formidable resolution. These numbers are leaps and bounds ahead of hyper-specific body cams. The EK7000 also has electronic image stabilization built in, though according to our reviewer probably gets better action performance if you go for a camera with optical stabilization. That said, it can still shoot while submerged up to 131 feet underwater, meaning it doesn't have to be relegated to landscapes. One drawback for bodycam users, however, is its roughly 90-minute footage cap. Anything over that and you'll be reaching for the charger. But because it only weighs about 2 ounces, it comes with a ton of accessories right in the box. And when you consider its Wi-Fi streaming and sharing integrations, it turns out to be a leading contender for the title of Best Bodycam 2019 has to offer. Number 3. GoPro Fusion. Action cameras can be considered special-purpose body cams. They allow users to record their outdoor adventures while being immersed in them. When it comes to action cams, GoPro is a name that needs no introduction. If money is no object, the Fusion is the best body-worn action camera that you can get. GoPro Fusion lets you capture immersive 360-degree videos in an astounding 5.2K, 30 fps, resolution. You can record 3K resolution videos at 60 fps, as well as take 18MP spherical photos, at up to 30 fps in burst mode. The spherical videos can be played back in VR, and the overcapture feature makes it possible to convert 360-degree footage to standard 1080p videos from any angle, using the GoPro Companion app. Speaking of the app, it can be used for creating short clips from the captured footage, posting your favorite photos and videos directly to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and even updating the Fusion's firmware. With a total of 4 microphones, GoPro Fusion can record crystal clear audio. It also has advanced video stabilization capabilities. For connectivity, GoPro Fusion features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. GPS is also included in the mix. Resolution, 18MP video resolution, 5.2K waterproof, yes, 16 feet zoom, N / a connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SD card. Number 4. SereneLife Clip-on Wearable Camera. If you're looking for a compact camera that can clip right onto your body, the SereneLife Clip-on Wearable Camera is the answer. Measuring a mere 2x 0.6x 2 inches and weighing just 1.44 ounces, there's no question this body camera is compact. Fortunately, its diminutive size belies its feature set. Capturing full HD 1080p video, the camera's recording quality is standout. Video might be its main purpose, but there's also room to capture 12-megapixel pictures. Both pictures and videos are stored on a separately purchased microSD card. The length of each recording is determined by the card size, but the camera supports AVI formatting which compresses video into a smaller size for maximized storage. For quick playback, a 1.8-inch display will let you view real-time pictures and video. You can also review videos on a downloadable app on your mobile device. Just attach the camera to your clothing using the included clip and start recording. Resolution: 18MP video resolution, 1080p waterproof, no zoom, N / a connectivity, Wi-Fi, SD card. Number 5. Rexing 1P Body Camera. The Rexing 1P is a durable body camera that's ideal for law enforcement. It boasts a 1080p FHD camera and 21x optical zoom that supports night vision capabilities. It can capture crisp footage up to 50 feet in the way even in dark conditions. There's 64 gigabytes of built-in storage for recording video, photos, and audio. Battery life is solid, with a 3,000 mAh battery that should allow 10 hours of video recording, more than 11 hours of audio, or 20 hours of standby time. It should let you use the camera for the average workday without needing to recharge. Other features include password protection, which encrypts files so they can't be stolen or deleted. The only way to delete any files is by connecting through a computer with a USB cable. Perhaps the biggest selling point is the IP67 waterproof rating, meaning the camera can survive complete submersion underwater. It's also shock resistant, so it can withstand drops, bumps, and scrapes.